Hi, what is up YouTube? Thank you for tuning in. Today we're gonna go ahead and unbox and review the EGOWAY 27000 mAh power bank. And as you can see, it's a nice package with a lot of graphics on the box. Nice looking box. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Nice box, feels like a iPhone unboxing. Here is the device itself. Comes with this user manual. Simple and straightforward user manual. And here is the device itself. Feels a little bit heavy. I think it's made of aluminum. Along with accessories, comes with this little pouch so you can store the power bank. A micro USB to USB-A cable, along with a fast charger cable, a USB Type-C to USB Type-C. You can actually use this to charge a laptop that supports power delivery. So let's go ahead and weight this device and see how much it weighs. And as you can see, it's about 588 grams. And here is the interface. You have a USB-A quick charge, and I've tested it, and as you can see, .469 volts and 346 amps, and a USB smart output. That can provide up to 4.84 volts and 2.98 amps. We also have a USB power delivery output. So let's go ahead and test that. So this comes out to 4.93 volts at 3.47 amps. So this is not a fair test for the USB-C port because this tester only tests for 5 volts. And this power delivery can also provide up to 20 volts. So you can use it to charge a laptop. On the back we have the specs: 99.9 watt hour and 27,000 milliamp hour. You have the voltage indicator and a power button to turn it on and off. So let me know what you think.